you will come to a facility. A patient needs painkillers. A clinician will say, provide this patient with Panado because we need painkiller. And when you get to the facility, there is no Panado because of challenges, including financial constraints. But you then look at whether you have paracetamol. You then look at whether you have ibuprofen, because you have a list of all the other medication that are medication that treat pain. So when we say we don't have a problem of medication, it's because it's actually not even an issue that only happens now. Historically, it happens that you might have a clinician that prefers a particular brand, but that brand is not available. But then there's an alternative. They usually get something like 3 to 4 alternatives that can be utilized. So when we say we don't have a problem, it's because when you want a pain medication, we might not give you what you are expecting, but we'll give you something to treat a pain. Now, we have been seeing our own social media platform, like you're saying. That is why we then came up with an alternative to say, if there's a patient that goes to a facility and they are unable to get medication, call us. Send us a WhatsApp, because we then must be able to speak to the CEO. We must be able to speak to the pharmacy manager to say, why is that patient not given an alternative to the medication that they have received?